All right, welcome back, everyone. Plenty of sunshine right now. Temperatures a little on the chillier side. We had a cold front come through this morning. You probably heard those winds kick up a little bit. Slight haze in the atmosphere, but nothing that we certainly can't handle. 69 right now. Humidity is getting up there a little bit more, thanks in part to increasing cloud cover and easterly winds, pulling up a bit more of that moisture. Any kind of rain you're seeing on radar here? It's in the cloud layers. It's not actually pushing its way down into the ground. But later tonight, we do have up to that level 2 slight risk out to our eastern counties and much of our viewing area in the morning. San Angelo and Abilene, they're going to look to see some wind, some hail, and even that small tornadic threat. We already had a tornado in Abilene earlier this morning, so certainly we're not going to rule that out again. 50 degrees for tonight. Chance of rain, very minimal, only for our easternmost regions. I'll break it down for you on the future track, because here's tonight, right around 11 o'clock, I see one particular cell popping up right around Ozona up to Big Lake. Moves into San Angelo, really kind of breaks apart. You got one moving directly east of Ozona, the other one kind of moving northeast from San Angelo up toward Abilene. Much of the Permian Basin just missing out. But all of this stuff is gone by as early as 5 a.m. We don't have to worry about it anymore. And New Mexico is going to be getting some beneficial rainfall. Fantastic. Let's go throughout the rest of the afternoon. At around 6 o'clock, opening time for the Rockhounds game and our live show. We're seeing more of that rain right around Van Horn, just west of Pecos and right on top of Hobbs. It then starts to try to bring a quick little burst of rain right on top of Midland. I'm not seeing, if it's just rain, we're fine. If we start to see lightning, that's when we're going to see those delays. Now, this line of storms really advances and explodes in terms of potential severity after it moves just out of our area, San Angelo, Abilene, right around midnight on Saturday. But notice one thing going on here. Strong winds from the north, very cold air. Temperatures are going to hit their maximum pretty early in the morning on Saturday, and that's when we start to see increasing snow chances. Now, snow chances in those higher elevations, that's very normal, but these models are increasingly showing more and more snow chances moving into the Permian Basin, to the point that this is Saturday at 6 o'clock. Midland, Odessa, Big Spring, snow chances. We go from tornadic activity to straight up snowfall. At this rate, if this actually happens, I'm going to be stunned. I'm looking at air temperatures staying cold. None of this is going to accumulate on the ground. It's going to be, oh, look, a flurry, and then it goes away. There is that small chance for severe weather, too. It's staying out to the east, and it's going to stay out to the east. What about rainfall potential? Boy, oh boy, if this actually becomes reality, I'm fantastic. But you know what? I'm realistic. I don't see that being a real possibility. That's why I'm keeping these chances low, 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 low. 40% Friday, Saturday. Yes, you could see some snow. I'm going yes for the high elevations for the Permian Basin. If we see some flurries, I give up. Alex?
Whoa, what is going on? How do I follow that up? Anyway, after the